I got a little fat, kind of like myself, left on there. A little flavor, Ben, you know what I'm saying? Turn our little Blackstone adventure ready, cook anything, anytime, anywhere. That's the slogan of this particular model.
What happens when you eat raw lamb?
I think you're gonna die. I don't even think you go to the hospital.
Would you say that Greeks and Italians in New York have a rivalry or a brotherhood?
It's like gangs of New York, they hate each other. Wow. Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking. And this, as you know, is the Blackstone series. And we're making lamb kebabs. All right, so to make our kebabs, first of all, you gotta go to the butcher, you get your lamb, okay? That's what I did, went to our friends over at Huntington Meats. And as you can see here, I got nice chunks, probably about an inch in size thick. And what I did was, I marinated it in a little bit of olive oil, lemon, some garlic, salt, pepper. And one thing you don't want to do is let your lamb marinate too long when it has citrus in it, okay? Because it'll basically cook it and then it'll become mushy and no good. So for instance, this morning, Ben, here, let's take a nice piece. I only did this for about an hour. You do it any longer than that, it could get a little bit, maybe 2 hours, you'd be all right. This was very red this morning. However, when I marinated it, it changed a little color because that's the acidity. Is it bad? Absolutely not. These are going to be delicious. And I got these very nice 14-inch skewers from Amazon on our Amazon shop. These are for your skewers and your teeth. That's all I'm saying. But you want nice sturdy ones and you want to soak them in water about a half hour, hour before because you don't want them to burn on your grill or on your griddle. The griddle, it won't make that big of a difference, but if you're on an open fire, these things will smoke up and start to burn if you don't soak them for about a half hour. So you're gonna take your skewer and you're gonna go right in there. I'm gonna put it like right there because I got a lot of skewers. And you don't wanna press them too close together. I like to give them a little bit of space so they cook nice and even. I got a little fat, kind of like myself, left on there. A little flavor, Ben, you know what I'm saying? So this is all gonna come together really, really beautiful. Let's get this bad boy. Ben, what do you think about lamb?
One of my favorites.
Is it?
Love it.
Then you would love New York because let me tell you something about Astoria, Queens. There's a story from Astoria, Queens. A lot of Greeks. I think it's actually the biggest Greek population outside of Greece.
Really?
Is Astoria, Queens.
Should I fact check that or?
I don't know, but it feels like that. That's when you're there, everybody's Greek. And I gotta tell you, I used to go to one of these little stands on the corner in Astoria years ago. A guy had the best kebabs. So good that one time a car hopped the curb, smashed his entire cart. He picked the cart up, turned around and said, "Who's next?" That's the dedication that these guys have. And they're delicious. They're unbelievable.
How do you feel about lamb?
I actually love it. I think it's so delicious. And today you're gonna see, we're gonna make it, we're gonna put it on some nice semolina bread. I'm doing it on semolina bread with a little homemade tzatziki sauce. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hell for pronouncing it like that, but I'm from Queens, New York. I'm not from the motherland of Greece, and I'm not Greek. So everybody relax. For Easter, lamb is a big thing for the Greeks, and they, what is it, the spit?
Yeah.
They put it on the spit, let that bad boy, the whole lamb, just in somebody's backyard that hasn't been finished, but they somehow got a spit back there. And this thing just goes for hours, and they yell at each other and make fun of each other, and they laugh and they drink, and then you go home and you go, where the hell was I? Seemed aggressive. I got 2 left, and this is gonna be for us, Ben. This is just a little sidebar.
Are they not all for us?
They are, but this is a pre-gamer.
Oh, hell yeah.
Feed the crew.
What happens when you eat raw lamb?
I think you're gonna die. I don't even think you go to the hospital. I think you go to your resting place,
Right.
and you call it a day. I think it's over.
Just straight up die.
But I really, I love lamb, but these kebabs are gonna be off the charts, and they're a great little summer dish because it's light, it's easy. You can be outside, you're making them on the grill, you're having some drinks, you're hanging out with friends and family. Things. Very nice. So here we are, we're ready to go. So we're gonna turn our little Blackstone adventure ready, cook anything, anytime, anywhere. That's the slogan of this particular model. Let's put it on. Where do you want to put it today, Ben?
Maybe a mahai?
You read my mind, because that's where I was going. I'm going on the mahai setting. So we're gonna let that get. We're gonna get a little olive oil on there, grease it up a little bit. And then we're gonna do these bad boys for about 3 minutes on each side. They're kind of sizable and thick. If they're smaller, go less. I don't like them too well done. The Greek community likes very well done lamb. I'm not Greek. I tend to like it less done. However, you do what you want. I'm going about 3 minutes on each side, maybe a little longer, just because of how thick they are. The guys in the car do it all together. They go, hey, it's like that, like that. How you doing, as your mother? Good. This one's for Ben and I. Oh!
Would you say that Greeks and Italians in New York have a rivalry or a brotherhood?
It's like gangs of New York. They hate each other. Everybody thinks they invented the color blue. Their cuisine is better. We have more tradition. It is what it is, but they coexist. And I gotta tell you, they love coming together, hanging out. There's a lot of similarities when you put the ego aside. You know what I'm saying, Ben? But no, two beautiful cultures, incredible food, and very passionate people, very opinionated, very, full of love. And that's what makes New York everything. Go Knicks! I'm actually making these in honor of my brother-in-law, Chris.
Yeah?
Who grew up in Queens, has a Greek accent. If he told you he was born and raised in Queens, you'd be like, this guy is lying to me. Yet, awesome person, got a lot of culture, beautiful food. I think we're gonna get a nice color on these. I'm just at about 3 minutes. I somehow changed the my stopwatch. I don't know what the hell happened here. It was just regular before. Now it's become an actual dial. I don't know what the hell is happening here. You know how to fix this? Thank God for Ben. Should I try and do these all together? I could do a couple at a time.
That seems bold.
It does seem bold. Here, watch this. Those are for us. I could do that by itself. Oh!
Wow.
Ben, look at the color on those. What? So when you order these at your butcher, I would go to a reputable butcher. As always, our friends over at Huntington Meats. I went there early this morning, grabbed a coffee with my wife, told him I was making lamb skewers, kebabs today. He said, come back in 15 minutes. So when they make these, they're usually using the leg, the shoulder, or the loin. Go for it. I'm gonna do the 30 seconds and then I'll do the flip and I'll let it go for like another 40. Just because I think I have a sneaky suspicion there's some nice color on that other side. Sneaky suspicion.
On camera or no?
Yeah, I just think that's what I'm saying. I think there's gonna be, I think I'm gonna do 2 and 2 though. It's a little cumbersome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Once you got them like this, off, and we're ready to make our little sandwiches, or you eat them just like that with some lemon, and you're gonna have yourself one hell of an afternoon, I'll tell you that. Pour yourself a nice drink. For you and me. For you and me. Oh yeah. Bro. Have that.
Oh, it's so good.
Woo-wee. Sheesh.
Haida.
Haida. All right, so I got the griddle, whatever, on a very low heat. Usually I open these up and put them face down and toast them up. I don't want to do that. I actually want to leave it regular inside, just kind of warm them. So I got it on a very low heat. Check those periodically. You don't want them to burn. And then once we're done with that, I'm gonna flip it, and we're gonna make our sandwich.
What was that? What was that? Oh, yeah. Got it. Okay. Now I know what the sandwich is.
Now I'm moving the table again.
Great.
All right, so I got my bread warmed up. Very nice. I just wanted it warmed. I got the tzatziki, I got the onion, I got the lemon, and we're just gonna start sliding these right off. And you don't have to save these and recycle. It's $14 for 250. Get a grip, people, okay? Get a grip. Let's make a little sandwich, huh? We got a little homemade tzatziki. Got a little nice Greek yogurt. We got a little dill. We also have some lemon juice, olive oil, grated garlic. Am I forgetting something? I absolutely am. Grated cucumber, which I made sure to get all of the moisture out of. And that is all mixed together with a little salt and pepper. Whew! We're gonna say, as my mom used to say, a little dollop. And then I'm just gonna take nice pieces. How about that, Ben? I like the very thin, thanks to Lynn's. Get some beautiful, and I like this just for the crunch. If you want to pickle them, you can do that also, but nonetheless, it's really very beautiful. Wow. You know, I prefer lamb skewers, lamb kebabs, whatever you want to call them, the traditional way. On a grill, an open fire. But you know what? There's a lot of people that just don't have barbecues. Or maybe you live in an apartment with a balcony, get yourself a Blackstone. They're just as good. And you can have a delicious gourmet meal in about 15-20 minutes. If you want this recipe, as always, it's in the description below. And from our house to yours, bon appetit. Thanks for watching, and if you love this episode, you're guaranteed to love our ahi tuna on the Blackstone, which the link is located in this corner because Ben put it there for you. If you don't want any of that, we got 150 other recipes, which Ben put the link to in this corner. So click there and make your family something good.